Specifically formulated for women in their 50s, 60s, and 70s, the Grace Cleanser is the perfect addition to your anti-aging skincare routine. This hydrating formula cleanses, while fighting the effects of photoaging to ensure your skin looks effortlessly flawless. The science behind the Grace Cleanser's formulation: monk's pepper berry extract. This antioxidant complex is shown to help dramatically improve the vitality and appearance of the skin. It helps fight signs of aging, increases hydration, and protects skin from free radical damage to promote a radiant, healthy glow. Swiss CRESS extract, shown to slow the appearance of aging by reducing cell proliferation and increasing skin's natural defense through antioxidant production. This extract also smooths and brightens the skin through the dormancy of melanocytes. Fruit extracts, high in antioxidants. This blend of grapefruit, orange, and lemon helps to repair and protect the skin, while having a cleansing and toning effect. Green tea leaf extract. This extract provides high antioxidant activity to help neutralize free radical damage to protect the skin. It has been shown to inhibit collagenase, an enzyme that breaks down collagen, thereby helping maintain firm and elastic skin. Bilberry, licorice, and mulberry root extracts. These proven ingredients work together to calm and soothe the skin while brightening and evening skin tone. ACAI fruit oil. The super berry oil possesses an impressive combination of omega-6 and omega-9 essential fatty acids, making it a very powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory. Shea butter. Among the most potent healing butters, this ingredient helps moisturize and nourish the skin. Avocado oil. This extremely moisturizing oil helps to deeply condition the skin, delivering a wealth of antioxidants, omegas, and vitamins D and E. Clover flower extract. This antioxidant soothes and calms, while balancing the effects of hormones. Cleanses and hydrates. Gently remove dirt, oil, and makeup while evening skin tone with the anti-aging, hydrating Grace Cleanser. Fight signs of aging. To help fight the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, monk's pepper berry extract targets all signs of aging for healthier, younger-looking skin. Calms and soothes skin. While you cleanse, you are brightening and evening your skin tone. The Grace Cleanser soothes skin, and reduces redness, irritation, and inflammation. For more info and special discounts, please click the link below.